Get paid $10 for testing apps. What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and that's exactly what we're going to have a look at in today's video. How you can make money testing apps. All you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, internet marketing related stuff and much more on a consistent basis, and hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, this is going to be a quick one, so make sure to watch the whole thing so you don't miss out on any important information. And you're probably not going to get rich with testing Appster, so if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you definitely need to check out my #1 recommendation right here below at the end of this video, of course. But for now, let's have a look at how we can make money by testing apps. Let's get started. Okay, so the site that we're going to have a closer look at today is actually testerwork.com. And you can clearly see when you arrive to the site here, you earn money testing apps. Join our community of 20,000 plus testers around the globe and earn money testing websites and apps in your free time, which clearly tells us that this is a worldwide opportunity also. So if we scroll down a little bit here, we can see that test apps from companies like Evernote, Facebook, Microsoft, Callo and Spotify clearly tells us that this is a very popular site because they have a lot of big brands on board there. So how it works is really simple. You sign up, you test cool apps, you make money and work on your own schedule. So you can clearly see it is basically in 3 simple steps here. Sign up, create a profile, let us know what devices you have and pass our short QA test, and you'll be invited to test new projects by email after you complete the registration, and of course you get paid. So you report bugs or complete test cases and you earn money. Now, why should you test with us, okay? So they are looking for passionate QA testers who have expertise in mobile and web. Make money for the bugs you report. If you are a QA professional or only a tech enthusiast, you can increase your income by joining Testerwork. You gain QA skills and experience, of course. You test when you want on any project, so definitely it's up to you there. And there is also an exclusive access to Testathon. So here are some testimonials actually from other testers, and basically before we go to the become a tester, it works really simple. So if you go to become a tester, you just fill in the details. You need to take a test, and of course you will get the instructions further after that. So let's go to the FAQ. Let's have a look here. So how can I join? You have to register your email using this form, so you just fill in the form there. And what does the onboarding process look like? So exactly as I explained earlier here, the registration has 3 steps which you follow right after you're signed up. You get the online assessments, you will take a test, and they will give you the instructions after that, of course. So how long does it take to complete the onboarding? In less than 50 minutes you're all set. So it goes pretty fast actually. If you don't want to complete all the onboarding steps at once, you can save the progress and you can come back, of course, if for some reason you can't complete it. If you failed the first assessment, you will given another chance, which is really cool. So definitely you have a second chance there also. Now, after you have passed the assessment, you can see that you will receive an email with additional details so you can start testing. When can I start testing? As soon as you have received an email about a new project, so they will see after what kind of a project that you can apply for, and if they think that you're a good fit for that project, they will send you. Really simple and straightforward. Now, what time zone is used? We always use GMT2. So do I have to work during UK times? Not at all. All projects have a fixed start and end date, and you are free to work anytime during the period, okay? So don't worry about some times there, okay? I have a question. Of course, you have to go to the support there, and the payments, you will receive a payout in approximately 2 weeks after the test cycle has finished. You will get paid via PayPal or via an Upwork contract if you have signed up for Upwork. And how much will I get paid? So let's have a closer look at that. I did a research and I found a website here. So credit goes to Full-Time Home Business here. This is the minimum payout that Test2Work offers for each type of issue you find. So for a low issue, $2, medium issues, $4, high issues, $6, and for critical issues, $8. So this is actually the minimum payout, okay? Another quick research, if you do it on Google here, testing apps, how much do they pay? You can see here that the average is around $10, and it basically goes for most of the companies. You can see that some pay upwards of $100 actually, so if it is a popular site and you have discovered a critical issue, you can definitely get much more. Another one that I opened here, you can see the pay is $10 per test, so usually around $10 is what you can earn here, and you can do this of course again and again. So there you have it. To find out more about this, just go to Test2Work.com. Really simple and straightforward. Sign up and get started to test and make some money with it. Alright, so there you have it, how you can make money testing apps. Now, keep in mind, as I said, you're probably not going to get rich by testing apps here. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you definitely need to check out my #1 recommendation right here below this video. If you get some value out of this video, I really appreciate if you hit the like button below. It really helps, so I really appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe to both the channels that you see here at the end screen. You'll find 2 channel recommendations. Both are mine and both are related to make money online and work from home opportunities and much more. So make sure you subscribe to both. Hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.